working with international technicians. So could you share your experience about that? Are they any different from Indian technicians?
No, not at all. Not at all. Matter of fact, our technicians are comparable to any of the technicians all over the world. Yeah. Even the actors, matter of fact, I remember coming back after working over there, and I said, and I told them also, I said, you all are very happy with me, but I am, there are so many actors in our country, my country, which are far superior to me as actors. And so, that's what I say. I said, we are as good or better.
Also, I think over here, now we are doing one project at a time. I think they have that kind of a possibility of doing one project at a time. Our actors for a long time, till about 4 or 5 years back, we were doing various films. But I think even I believe that our technicians, our actors are as fantastic or as...
Because ultimately human beings are the same all over the world, So it is the opportunities, and the only thing which I feel we sometimes can improve, and we are improving, is the preparation. I feel in life or in films, or for you students also, for all of you all, what I've learnt and what I would want to tell is that don't leave anything. You work for 75%, prepare for 75% and leave 25%, ये हो जाएगा. यहाँ हो जाएगा attitude बहुत है problem. It's not that. You have to work 105%, prepare 105% for whatever project, as a producer, as a director, as a DOP, as an actor, as a writer. You prepare and you do, so much, more than 100%, and the rest, after 100%, should be left for luck. So you can make it a very foolproof, successful endeavor. You prepare yourself so much. That's what they try to do, most of the people.
I'm actually asking for the technical expertise. Like, for D-Day, they wrote in stunt directors from abroad. I'm sure you work with stunt directors in Mission Impossible. So what about the technology that they have there? I mean, does it really help you as an actor when you have...
I think technology, a lot of technology has been used our technology has been used from, I think so many of the animation films and a lot of work, most of the stuff has been done there, over here.
Anybody else?
सर, मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से है, क्योंकि सर हमेशा से जब भी लोगों ने बड़े पर्दे पर आप दोनों को देखा है, काफी सराहा है सर आपके किरदार में. एक एक्टर कब कहलाता है, कंप्लीट एक्टर?
कंप्लीट होने में तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा अभी हमें, बिकॉज एक्टिंग का कोई सिलेबस नहीं है. That's why people at the age of 84, 85, Clint Eastwood, Woody Allen, यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में, जैसा अनिल साहब ने कहा कि one lifetime is not sufficient. But yes, hard work is seen in every actor. That's what separates you from other people. Your own focus, your own hard work, your own honesty towards your own work. I think that comes with training also. A lot of people believe कि training की क्या ज़रूरत होती है acting में. It's very important because apart from acting, you also teach them discipline, you also teach them professionalism.
And more than anything else for training, I think because you get an opportunity to be with so many actors. The interaction. Otherwise, sometimes actors, I always tell my children also, you can't learn in isolation. You have to interact and, and feed off the other actors and other people, and you learn so much, something which you might learn from your friend or, or your neighbor or anybody. So that also is very important. This, being in a group and then performing in a group and performing all these things also. Like, for example, I think preparation we're talking about, I think in this last 2-3 years, the greatest example is Lincoln, Daniel Day-Lewis, and the way Spielberg worked and prepared that script for so many years, and the way they prepared this film, and the way he performed, and the way he prepared for the role, and how he became Lincoln.
Or Robert De Niro for Raging Bull. So
yeah, because it's.
I must say even Farhan Akhtar for Bhag Milkha Bhag, the way he's worked on his body is phenomenal.
Yeah.
So that does help. Yes.
We talked about like all great films and many films like that. A poll conducted in UK named Mughal-e-Azam the best Indian film ever, celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema. So what, according to you, makes it the best film?
Because you can watch it again and again, and it still looks fresh. It's like the Taj Mahal, and it's been there. This monument has been there so many years, and still, whenever you see it, you find something new, something fresh, and that's what Mughal-e-Azam is, because it was so it just turned out to be so perfect and so real, and the acting and everything was so genuine and honest and sincere. And sincerity and honesty and anything which is done with so much of genuinity, it's everlasting. It becomes timeless. I think that's the reason Mughal e Azam is timeless.
मेरी क्वेश्चन आप दोनों से अनुपम जी आपकी पहली टेस्ट में मूवी अनिल जी ने काम किया, आप दोनों इतने सालों से फ्रेंड है, तो अनिल जी की कोई तीन क्वालिटी एज एन एक्टर को बहुत अच्छा लगा, और सर मनीष जी आपके अनुपम जी कोई तीन क्वालिटी आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा?
मैं अनुपम जी की तो इमीडिएटली बोल देता हूँ. I think he is a great actor, and and his intelligent, very very intelligent, very rare. Sometimes you find great actors, and sometimes you find very intelligent people who are not great actors. So intelligent, great actor, and he's a fantastic human being with a great sense of humor. And he has the great ability to make fun of himself. That's a very, very fantastic quality a person should have, an actor should have, that you should not take yourself so seriously. I've seen actors who are much inferior to, and who are known as great actors today in our country, but and they take themselves very seriously. And here is Anupam Kher, who is a great actor, who always takes himself very lightly and never takes himself seriously at all.
जो मैंने तुमको 500 रुपये दिए थे वो सिर्फ इन्हीं से पूछना था सवाल. Thank you, Anil. Thank you for saying. I think there is every film that he does, he surprises you on his sheer brilliance of working on the thing. He is in the modern day. He is the only Arjun जिनको सिर्फ चिड़िया की आंख नजर आती है. I have never come across an actor like that, and that includes Amir Khan also, who is talked about as a perfection icon. The way he goes about a role, and with the kind of innocence that he goes about, I think that's very rare. We are friends for many years, so that's a comfort zone. You can be friends with only people you think alike, and he's a great family man. I see him interacting with his children. I think he is wonderful with them. This is fantastic. I think this is a platform. Let's just restrict ourselves. अब आप अपने channels के जो special program कर रहे हैं, उनके सवाल कर रहे हैं, तो let's just sort of. We have great regards for him, and he will be missed for generations to come.
ये तो मैं आंसर करूँगा. Well, of course, you always feel happy, and I'm very, 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 very happy. What can I say?
He's very happy and proud. I think. Yes, last question and then I think we should.
Sir, last time ये भी थोड़ा सा सर यहाँ इस सेशन से हटके क्योंकि सारा समय राजस्थान लॉन्च हो रहा है, तो आपकी विशेष चाहिए थी सर.
सारा समय राजस्थान को बहुत शुभकामनाएं. In America, that this show, I'm sorry, this is a putting in. You have to speak a dialogue. Otherwise, without that, we will not end up this show.
What dialogue?
You used to do a dialogue in that with Mr. Bachchan. You remember we did Jumma Chumma in London? उस पर बहुत तालियां पड़ती थी.
अच्छा.
वो चल 2 लाइनें तो बोलना.
बहुत सारे dialogues हैं.
तो एक दो बोल दो ना प्लीज.
कौन सा चाहिए आप? कौन सा फिल्म का चाहिए? अच्छा, ये देखिए 2-3 डायलॉग्स हैं. मजनू भाई. अच्छा, जब भी मैं ब्रश उठाता हूँ गन नहीं उठाता हूँ. ये मजनू भाई का डायलॉग है. और वो झकास का ये मानता हूँ तेरी पसंद को फादर मस्का एकदम
कैमरा हाँ एक बार रखना
सर सेंटर देखिए सेंटर अनिल जी नीचे थोड़ा
अरे मालूम यार टूट जाएगा
एक मिनट पहले स्टिक कर दो फिर वीडियो करते हैं पहले स्टिक कर दो फिर वीडियो करते हैं एक मिनट
अनिल से सामने सेंटर
थैंक यू
वरुण